Hi everyone, welcome to another online session. This is for my students of architecture, so others can kind of scroll down if you will, or maybe you can hit that like, right? And if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, right? That's a very important thing. You see, I had been practicing and preaching as an architect for the past 2 decades across India and abroad. With my hands-on experience in designing and building numerous projects, I've gained some real-life insight, which I keep sharing with my students of architecture. Today, let me tell you about something very intriguing that has come to my path recently. Yeah. Being brought up in a village, I was always curious about the mesmerizing countrysides, the clean and green nature, the sweetest and the purest of foods, and the organic form of vernacular architecture. But living in cities for many decades now, I used to always miss those days and kept wondering, was there any better way to spruce up the architecture of our smart cities that we are into, our lives that we are in? Can we do something about bringing the true flavor of a village into a city, other than like superficial gardening or potted plants or something like that? I think I just found the right answer. Sometime back, I was exploring some new age technology in urban landscaping architecture of smart cities. Just as when I came across this unique agricultural formula of growing organic flora with very little natural resources and human intervention. Something clicked like magic. How about marrying this scientific formula of agriculture with our traditional design formula of architecture and bringing them together and creating one of a kind of a discipline which we can call agritecture? Why not? I had published a very detailed article on this particular topic. Go back to my page and check it out sometime. Yeah. You see, fundamentally, agritecture can be called as the art, the science, the business of integrating agriculture into the architecture of smart cities for tomorrow. On a global perspective, something in these lines were also thought about by like Henry Gordon Smith sometime in the year late 2011, when he was researching how cities could have an agricultural input into it, to address environmental, social and economic challenges and to develop resilient food systems in the face of climate change. Yeah. So understanding from everywhere else in the world and also to our local context, let's say by definition, agritecture should mean applying agricultural thinking and architectural thinking when designing the urban fabric of our built environment. Yeah. I practice what I preach, always. In my practical experience, I would suggest architects and urban farmers should incorporate agriculture into the surrounding city environment in a very different way as per the site requirements. We have seen sad scenarios when architects frequently design impossible vertical farming systems and urban agricultural concepts with complete ignorance of the total scenario of how does an flora evolve, how does that entire urban farming scenario sustain. It's pretty bad. While on the other hand, agriculturists and horticulturists, they intervene into the urban smart city management systems and often miss important designs, aesthetics and local integration opportunities when they develop urban farms. Therefore, it is important. Let me tell you, this is so important. I mean, like this, nothing can be more important at this point of time than this, to understand that agriculture is about integrating the disciplines of agriculture into the architecture. So when you incorporate the science of agriculture into the design philosophy of architecture and put them all together so that urban farms can be both practical and well designed all at once in the smart cities that we are trying to create now. In today's world, I believe it is important to explore agritecture more through online platforms in order to cater to a wide range of global and local urban students of architecture and beyond. They should study topics such as greenhouse production, vertical farming, aquaponics, hydroponics, regenerative agriculture and food systems more broadly, including the theories and philosophies of design and architecture. I am happy to have already started educating and consulting in these particular lines in collaboration with a brand called Green Roots, which is designed to help students, entrepreneurs, developers, and smart cities to launch successful smart urban agriculture, vertical organic farming, and grow your own food system projects. I'm sure this particular concept will successfully balance the art, the science, the business of integrating agriculture into architecture of smart cities that we are trying to come up now. Yeah. Having said all of that, I strongly believe that an architect will always be a student, constantly learning because there is a lot to learn in architecture. Let me know your thoughts, your comments, your views on this particular topic right in the box below. I'll get back to you. See you.